If you're looking for information on the OfficeSuite Lifetime Deal and Review, you've come to the right place. The OfficeSuite Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this post, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the OfficeSuite Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. The Office Pack that gets work done. Boost productivity with this OfficeSuite software that combines documents, sheets, slides, PDFs, and email. Documents. OfficeSuite Documents gives you all the features to edit, create, read, review, print, or convert your Word docs to PDF. Writing is easy and collaborative. Let your creativity flow. Sheets. Get data insights with OfficeSuite Sheets. Enjoy 30+ chart designs, 250+ formulas and function. Supports Microsoft Excel formats and CSV. Powerful spreadsheets for your professional needs. Slides. Present ideas with OfficeSuite Slides. Advanced presenter mode. In-depth customization. Supports Microsoft PowerPoint presentations. Create stunning presentations to captivate audiences. Mail. Connect and manage all your email and calendar accounts in one place with OfficeSuite Mail. Control all your emails across accounts. Calendar included. PDF. OfficeSuite PDF allows you to annotate, review, secure, fill and sign any PDF. A comfortable reader and converter. Combined. When you're working on the go, the last thing you want to worry about is accessing all your files across multiple devices. The truth is that you're wasting time and storage converting your documents into different file types just to get things done. You need a flexible suite of Office tools that lets you access documents, sheets, slides, PDFs, and email on any device. Get your work done with a 5-in-1 Office Pack for documents, sheets, slides, PDFs, and email. Access all your files from one place, regardless of file types, platforms, and device operating systems. OfficeSuite is a cross-platform software suite that combines documents, sheets, slides, PDFs, and email so you can work on any device. OfficeSuite combines 5 rich apps for documents, sheets, slides, PDFs, and email, all rolled into one interface. These files are compatible with Microsoft Office, OpenOffice, iWork, and other major formats, making it a breeze to adopt into your tech stack. Plus, you can link to Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and other cloud service accounts to access all your files across multiple devices. Best of all, OfficeSuite is super intuitive and seamless to use, so you can start using it for all your creative projects right away. You'll be able to keep important PDF files secure from prying eyes with digital signatures, password protection, and timestamps. Plus, you can collaborate on PDFs by commenting, highlighting text, or drawing, then set editing permissions for your colleagues. OfficeSuite also starts at 20 GB of secure cloud service, which means you can safely store and access files on the go. Need help troubleshooting? This suite offers a responsive customer service team that's ready to spring into action when you need them. And because OfficeSuite regularly updates new features and fixes, you'll always have cutting-edge tools for your projects. Whether you're running a large business, getting your small business off the ground, or are a Jim Halpert-style employee, OfficeSuite can help you get more done. This platform lets you create emails with a stylish layout and text format and even streamline your email accounts, schedules, and inbox. You can also whip up presentations with multimedia elements and illustrate your spreadsheet data with stunning charts. That's why OfficeSuite combines documents, slides, sheets, PDFs, and email into one powerful suite that you can access on any device. Work smarter wherever you are. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to OfficeSuite today. One-time purchase of $59 only. 60-day money-back guarantee.